what were your top three misconceptions or false beliefs about the world of entrepreneurships and startups?
First and foremost, it's easy. We believe that, okay, being your own boss or like working on something that you like, or the word we call passion, right? We feel that, okay, it's easy, right? The real thing about entrepreneurship is that we are here to do what is needed, maybe not what we like. Right. So sometimes there can be many things, let's say finance, legal, even doing payrolls, right? So you might not like it, right? But you need to do it. Right. So from my perspective, entrepreneurship is more about doing what is needed, doing and solving the problem which is there. Right. So it's not that easy. You gotta do what you cannot do, or you gotta try what cannot you don't even know. Right. Second thing that I learned was certainly as a developer or as an engineer or as a even designer, right? Our mindset is we can build things, right? So it will work, right? But that's not the usual case, because the product is only successful when few people use, or let's say let a set of people use it, right? So certainly selling skill is also as important as building the product, right? So even that was the reason, like, we took so long to get to like many users in Iconscout, right? So we are really good builders, right? But we didn't have that much selling skills that was needed, right? So I think that is the second learning, that okay, building matters, right? But you gotta go out and sell the product. You gotta talk to hundreds of people and get a reviews, or even ask them like, will you pay for this thing or not? That matters. And third thing, I think that is again a misconception, because we are product people. We feel that product is everything. We always think that product comes first, right? But I learned that rather than product, is people comes first, right? And this is even something that Patrick Collison, the Stripe CEO, he says that for me, the least worry is about product. I'm the least thing I'm worried about is product, right? I'll more focus on the people who are with me. That's building and having the strong team matters more than even sometimes having that idea, right? Because for me, I didn't have that idea, right? Alpat was a person who had an idea of starting an Iconscout, right? But now we are successful, So the team matters, right? And then idea, and then maybe figuring that out how to do it, the strategies and stuff. Yeah.
Awesome. Those were like really deep points.
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.